Good morning and welcome to another demonstration session. My name is Katie, I'm with Opterra Paddock, and today I'm going to show you how to assign an operator and complete without change. So these are changes that we've made to the Opterra Paddock mobile app to make it a little bit easier for our grower team members to complete applications. So hopefully you can see my screen now. So I've received a recommendation from my advisor and I'm working in the application tab as you would be as well. So I'm going to just expand this first one. I've called it Destructo because unfortunately I kill crops with my fabricated sprays. So anyway, if you go on into it, you can see these couple of new options here. So there's a complete without change, which is a big green bar, and there's the assigned operator. So these are quite separate tasks. I'm going to start with the assigned operator. So if you're sort of managing other people and using our mobile app and you want to say, hey, Joe, please go and do this spray, you would jump in here and in the assigned operator section, you would type Joe and you would save. And now if I go back, touching the back icon there, you'll be able to see that Joe is the person that's been assigned to that mix. So then the idea is that Joe would see that and he would understand that he would have to complete that task. So then Joe might jump on in here and he might go, okay, well, there's two paddocks. There's a couple of different things. I have done that today. I've sprayed both of those paddocks today. I don't need to make any changes. I agree with the rates. Everything's been done. Everything's fabulous. And they would jump on in and they would touch on complete without change. They would say, yes, I did that today. I started at, I don't know, I probably started a little bit earlier than this, but that's okay. End time. Yep, I'm happy with that. Let's go with started this sort of yesterday. End time today. Sure. And then we're going to touch on complete. It's going to say, confirm, do you want to copy that to actuals for the 2022 year? You're going to say yes and yes. And then you're going to confirm this prompt. So it's irreversible, it will complete it. So it means that this application is no longer going to be available for further change, but basically that job is done. So if I go back a step now, you could see that that was completed there. If I give this a little refresh and I expand that Destructo one again, you can see the status has become complete. So that mix has been completed. So I just showed you two new things, the ability to assign to an operator just by typing in a name and touching save, and also how to complete that without change, without having to do and edit anything or touch on too many buttons. Anyway, have a fabulous day. Thank you for listening to me today.